Welcome to Shabbat More English School online lecture. So student, today we have to start the question number 3 of the problem set number 3. Okay, first read the question. पहले read करो question क्या लिखा हुआ है. In an AP the 10th term is 46 and sum of the 5th and 7th term is 52. Find the AP. अब क्या बोला इसमें कि in an AP 10th term is 46 means टी टेंथ की वैल्यू दी है. टेंथ पोजीशन पे क्या आ रहा है? 46 आ रहा है. एंड सम ऑफ द फिफ्थ एंड सेवेंथ टर्म, फिफ्थ टर्म और सेवेंथ टर्म दोनों का सम 52 मिल रहा है हम लोगों को. तो फाइंड द एपी मीन्स हम लोगों को क्या है, एपी में कौन कौन से नंबर्स आएंगे, स्टार्टिंग टर्म क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट टर्म क्या होगा, मतलब सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ टर्म, वो हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है यहाँ पे. ओके, तो लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. अब इसका सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे हम लोग. Okay, now yes, what are given here? Question number 3, T10. T10 is equals to 46. T10 की वैल्यू क्या है? 46 है. And sum of the T fifth and seventh term, T fifth plus T seventh is equals to 52. And we have to find out the AP. कि AP है क्या, वो हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है यहाँ पे. तो अब देखो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम लोग. Now use the formula Tn. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore T10, okay, because T10 is given, T10 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here, okay, now yes, this is the formula, and here substituting values. So only we know the n value and a and d is unknown to us. Now yes, T10 is equals to a plus 10 minus 1 is equals to 9 and into d. So here T10 is equals to a plus 9d. This is your equation number 1. Okay, let's solve further. So T10 is equals to 46. 46 is equals to a plus 9d. So therefore a plus 9d is equals to 46. Now yes, give the name as equation 1. Now yes, similarly for T5 के लिए, तो Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket close into d. So therefore T5, okay, T5 is equals to value of a, we don't know, a plus n value is 5, 5 minus 1 is equals into d. So therefore T5 is equals to a plus 4d. For T7, so Tn is equals to again a plus n minus 1 bracket close into d. So therefore T7 is equals to a plus 7 minus 1 into d. So therefore T7 is equals to a plus, now 7 minus 1 is equals to 6, 6 into d is equals to 6d. Now yes, therefore T5 plus T7 is equals to a plus 4d. Yes, this is 2 and this is suppose 3. So now yes, T5 plus T7. So this is equals to a plus 4d plus a plus 6d from 2 and 3. ओके, ये कहाँ से हम लोग ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर रहे हैं? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 2 and 3 से. तो देयरफॉर T5 plus T7 is equals to, now open the bracket, A plus 4D plus A plus 6D. Now yes, we know that T5 plus T7 value is equals to 52. So now yes, place the 52 here. AA become 2A and 4D plus 6D is equals to 10D. Okay, it's clear now. Now see, this is divisible by 2, so therefore you can write down as 2A plus 10D is equals to 52. Okay, now just divide by the 2. So here we will get A plus 5D is equals to 26. So here by dividing with 2. Okay, 2 से divide किया. Now this is the equation number 4. Observe carefully equation number 1 and equation number 4 having the term A and D. Now coefficient of the term A is same in equation number 1 and equation number 4. दोनों में ये क्या है, ये terms का coefficient A का same है. Now subtracting equation number 4 from equation number 1. 4 को क्या कर रहे हैं, 1 से हम लोग subtract कर रहे हैं. तो therefore A plus 9D is equals to 46 and here A plus 5D is equals to 26. Okay, so now subtract minus minus minus. Okay, so 46 minus 26 is equals to 20 and 9D minus 5D is equals to 4D and this will become 0. So therefore 4D is equals to 20, so therefore D is equals to 20 upon 4. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, so therefore D is equals to 5. Now we have the first term, that is A. A is equals to, we have to find out. Now yes, we have the value of D. Now first find out the value of A. Substituting value of D in equation number 4, because equation number 4 is the simplest equation. So A plus 5 into D value is equals to, D value is equals to 5 is equals to 26. So therefore A plus, now 5 5 is 25 is equals to 26. So therefore A is equals to 26 minus 25. So therefore A is equals to 26 minus 25 is equals to 1. So A value is equals to 1. Now we have the, yes, first term, that is A and D value. So now yes, using the value A and D we can yes create the list. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, लिस्ट बना सकते हैं. Let's see how to make the list. Now A is equals to nothing but the T1 and this is equals to 1 and D is equals to 5. So therefore yes, T1 is equals to 1, T2 is equals to T1 plus D and this is equals to 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. Okay, so therefore T3 is equals to T2 plus D and T2 is equals to 6. 6 plus D is equals to, okay, 11. Similarly, yes, T4 is equals to T3 plus D and T3 is equals to 11. 11 plus 5 is equals to 16. So therefore the AP is 1 comma 6 comma 11 comma 16 and so on. Understood, student? So now when we have the value A as well as value D, we can create the list. तो हम लोग list को क्या कर सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं. So now yes, this question is completed. Let's see the next one. Next question देखना है अभी हम लोगों को. Yes, write down the answer. That required AP, the required AP is 1 comma 6 comma 11 comma 16 and so on. Now yes, read the question number 4. Okay, so yes, this was very simple but it was lengthy. Now see the next question, question number 4. Okay. Okay, read the next question. Question number 4. Okay, let's see. The AP in which fourth term is minus 15 and the ninth term is minus 30. Find the sum of the first 10 numbers. So yes, for finding the sum of the first number, we need the value of A and value of D and n value. So already in the question n value given as 10 because we have to find out the sum of the first term. So here n is given and we need the A and D. So by making the two linear equation, we can find out the value of A and value of D. Okay. So let's see the solution of question number 4. Okay, question number 4. What are given? T4 is equals to minus 15 and T9 is equals to minus 30. Okay, and what we have to find out is 10 is equals to question mark. So for this we need the value of A and D. दो वैल्यू चाहिए हम लोगों को, A और क्या चाहिए, D वैल्यू चाहिए हम लोगों को. So now yes, use the formula. This is the solution. Yes, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 bracket close into D. Therefore now yes, T4 is equals to A plus, yes, 4 minus 1 into D. So now yes, value of T4 is equals to minus 15. Substitute them. Yes, Tn is equals to minus 15. A plus 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. 3 into D is equals to 3D. Now yes, write down as A plus 3D is equals to minus 15. This is your equation number 1. Similarly for, this is for T4, for T9. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So therefore T9 is equals to A we don't know, plus n is equals to 9 minus 1 into D. So now you substitute the value. Now T9 is equals to minus 30. Minus 30 is equals to A plus 9 minus 1 is equals to 8 into D. So therefore A plus 8D is equals to minus 30. This is your equation number 2. Now yes, see the equation number 1 and equation number 2 of this question. So here coefficient of A is same in both the equation. दोनों में क्या है, ये coefficient क्या है, same है. तो subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2. So now see, A plus 3D is equals to minus 15. Now we are going to subtract the equation 2. So A plus 8D is equals to minus. Okay, now here we are subtracting the equation 2 from the equation 1. So subtracting equation 2 from the equation 1. So here A plus 3D is equals to minus 15. A plus 8D is equals to minus 30. Now we are subtracting the equation number 2. Now the sign of all terms will be changed. So this is the minus 30. So this will become plus 30. This is the minus 80. So this will become plus D. This will become minus D. And this will become minus on subtraction. So now see, this is the plus 30 and yes, above there is a minus 15. So 30 minus 15 is equals to 15. Greater number is 30. यहाँ पे greater number क्या है, 30 है. So its sign will be yes written in the answer. Now yes, minus 8D plus 3D. So here plus minus minus 8 minus 3 is equals to 5D and greater number is 8 and before that there is a negative sign. So there negative sign will come. Okay, so now you see minus 5d is equals to 15, so therefore d is equals to 15 upon minus 5, so therefore 3 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 5 3 is 15, so therefore d is equals to minus 3. Now yes, find the value of a, substituting value of d, substituting value of d in equation 1. So here a plus 3 into d, value of d is equals to minus 3 is equals to minus 15. So therefore a, now yes, plus into minus, so plus into minus become minus, so 3 3 is 9, this will be minus 9 is equals to minus 15. So therefore a is equals to minus 15. Now this 9 will go on the right hand side, become plus 9. So therefore a is equals to minus 15 plus 6, plus minus minus 9. Okay, 15 minus 9 is equals to 6. So here you will get the minus 6. So here a value is equals to minus 6 and d value is equals to minus 3. Now we having that these two value a and d, we can find out the S10. S10 का वैल्यू हम लोग अब क्या कर सकते हैं, फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी हैव टू यूज द SN फॉर्मूला. अब क्या फाइंड आउट करना हम लोगों को, SN का फॉर्मूला फाइंड यूज करना है यहाँ पे. Sn is equals to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close into d. Now substitute the value, therefore S10 is equals to 10 upon 2 into a, value of a is equals to minus 6 plus n is equals to 10 minus 1 and value of d is equals to is minus 3. Okay, so therefore 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, so there 5, 2 into minus 6 is equals to minus 12, and here 10, 10 minus 1 is equals to 9, so this will give you 9. Okay, 9 into minus 23, this is equals to 5 minus 12, and this will be minus and plus, on multiplication will become minus, so 9 3 are 27, so minus 27, so 5, and here minus 12 and minus 27, 7 to 9 and 2 and 3, minus 39. Now yes, multiply 39 by the 5, 5 9 are 45, carry 4, 5 3 are 15, 15 and 4 is 19, so this will equals to minus 195. Okay, so sum of the first 10 term of this given AP is minus 195. तो दिस इज द आंसर. ये क्या है, आंसर मिल गया आपको. कितना है उसका सम, minus 195. It's clear now. Now yes, write down the answer in word. Okay, answer. The sum of first 10 terms in given AP is minus 195. It's clear now. Okay, now see the next question. Question number 5. First read the question. Two APs are given 975 and second AP is 24, 12, 18. Okay, two APs, and APs are 9, 7, 5 and second AP is 24, 21 and 18. Okay, if nth term of the both the progressions are equal. अब यहाँ पे बोला है कि दोनों का जो क्या है, nth term क्या है, इक्वल है. Then find the value of n and nth term. तो क्या करना है हम लोगों को, जो n वैल्यू निकालना कि फॉर किस n के लिए, मतलब कि किस की कौन सा टर्म्स दोनों का क्या होगा, किस टर्म्स पे ये दोनों की वैल्यूज क्या होंगे, सेम होंगे, वो हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. कि जैसे कि क्या है, ये T5 इसका और T5 इसका, ऐसा वो सेम होंगे क्या. ऐसा हम लोगों के यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है। तो ये क्या करना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को, दोनों के यस फाइंड आउट करने पड़ेंगे क्या, यस एन। तो यार द टू एपीज are given and from this APs we can find out the value of A and value of D। तो दोनों की हम लोग क्या निकाल सकते हैं, A और D वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं। ओके, लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन। अब इसका सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। यस, ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 को अच्छे से देखो स्टूडेंट। Observe it carefully. Okay, yes, now you observe the question. Let's see the solution of it. अब उसका solution देखेंगे हम लोग। Okay, now yes, first AP 9, 7, 5, and so on। ये फर्स्ट एपी है आपका। Okay, yes, first AP is this, therefore A is equals to 9 and D is equals to T2 minus T1 is equals to 9, 7 minus 9 is equals to minus 2। Okay, so therefore yes, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 bracket close into D। So therefore Tn is equals to 9। Now yes, this is the formula and yes, next step is the substitution of the values। तो A is equals to 9, यहाँ पे A की वैल्यू क्या है 9, 9 plus n value is equals to not known minus 1 into D and D value is equals to minus 2। So therefore Tn is equals to 9 plus, now 2 into n is equals to 2n, 2 into minus 1 is equals to minus 2। So therefore Tn is equals to, now this is the 9 and this is the minus 2। So this plus minus will become minus, so 9 minus 2 is equals to 7 plus 2n। So here we can write down as a Tn is equals to 2n plus 7। Okay, so here I have written the number first and later on। Okay, now this is your equation number 1। Okay, similarly yes, for second AP, now second AP given as 24 comma 21 comma 18 comma and so on। Okay, so therefore A value is equals to 24 and D value is equals to T2 minus T1। So this is equals 21 minus 24, so this is equals to minus 3। Again we will use the yes formula of Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D। So therefore Tn is equals to A is equals to 24, 24 plus n minus 1, D value is equals to minus 3। So therefore Tn is equals to 24। Now yes, multiply the n and minus 1 with 3, minus 3 into n is equals to minus 3n। Okay, and minus 3 into minus 1 is equals to plus 3। Now yes student, yes, observe in the first AP in the substitution part we have made some mistake, some mistakes यहाँ पे occurred हुआ है। yes, let's see now yes multiplication part। 2 in minus 2 into n is equals to minus 2. Okay, and minus 2 into minus 1 is equals to plus 2, so this will become 9 plus 2 is equals to 11. Okay, so this is Tn is equals to 9 plus 2 is equals to 11. 11 minus 2n, this is your Tn is equals to 11 minus 2n, this is the equation 1. Now you see second. Okay, third step of the second AP. So Tn is equals to 24 minus 3 into minus 1 3n and minus 3 into this will plus. So therefore Tn is equals to 24 plus 3 is equals to 27. 27 minus 3n. This is your equation number 2. Now yes, according to given condition, okay, both APs having the इक्वल nth टर्म, दोनों का क्या है, ये nth टर्म क्या है, इक्वल है. तो हियर वी विल राइट according to given condition, according to given condition, okay, so this Tn and this Tn are equal, so therefore 11 minus 2n is equals to 27 minus 3n. Now bring the like term on one side. So here 11, this minus 27 will come this side, will become minus 27, and here minus 3n, and this will go this side plus 2n. So this is equals to 27. 27 minus 11 is equals to 16, and the greater number is 27, that's why this is minus 16. And here 3 minus 2 is equals to 1, 1n, and greater number this. Now minus minus will get cancelled, so therefore n is equals to 16. So here what we have seen, at the 16th position, okay, at the 16th position nth term will be equal. क्या हो जाएगा, nth term क्या होगा, दोनों का इक्वल हो जाएगा. Now yes, we have to find out the nth. ओके, अब वहाँ पे क्या है, वो नंबर कौन सा है, किस नंबर पे ये दोनों क्या होंगे, इक्वल, दैट आल्सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. अभी तक हम लोगों ने क्या फाइंड आउट किया, एंड की मतलब कि क्या है, दोनों एपीज के जो 16वें पोजीशन पे आने वाले जो नंबर्स है, वो दोनों के दोनों क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे. Yes, now we have to find T16. So therefore Tn is equals to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Therefore T16 is equals to a value is equals to 9 plus n value is equals to 16 minus 1 into minus 2. So therefore this 16th is equals to 9. Now here 16 minus 1 is equals to 15. 15 into minus 2. So this is equals to 9 plus minus minus 15 to the 30. So minus 30. So therefore T16 is equals to minus 21. Now write down the answer. अब हम लोगों को क्या लिखना है, आंसर लिखना है इसका. The value of n is 16 and 16th term is minus 21. Full stop. Okay, understood? Yes, student. Have you understood? सबको समझ में आ गया ये क्या करना था हम लोगों को. Now you see the next question, question number 6. Question number 6 देखना अभी हम लोगों को. Observe the question. Okay, observe the question carefully. If sum of the third and eighth term of an AP is 7, what is given here? Sum of the third and eighth term of an AP is 7 and the sum of 7th and 14th term is -3. Then find the 10th term. So for finding the 10th term we need the value of A and D, and for obtaining the value of A and D we have to make the two linear equations by using the given informations. Okay, because here directly the value of t third is not given. Here sum of the third and eighth term is given, as well as the sum of the 7th and 14th term is given. So let's see the solution. Okay student, now see the question number 6. Question number 6. Okay, yes, let its solution. Let first term of given AP is A and common difference